Hi guys, so this is Suki's first vlog on YouTube. It's been about a week since we brought back a new family member, so I wanted the first video to be a little sister reveal. So this is Kabuki. She's a Scottish fold. Well, she's a rescue from Kuwait, but I got her from a Facebook page or group that rescues these cats from Kuwait, specifically the Friday market. But she was actually a surrender from a previous owner who just couldn't have her anymore. They think she's around 8 to 10, but she honestly looks older because she's like the same size as Suki. Oopsies. And she's so sweet. Such a sweetie. Oh, baby. So the rest of the vlog is just gonna show some clips that I filmed over the week of them meeting each other. I wanted to do a slow introduction, but two of them were too curious and just couldn't wait. So I just let them go. And the sibling rivalry begins. Where? Look. Kabuki, that is your little sister's. That's your sister's. That's her spot. You don't want to do that. Come here, baby. Well, that didn't go too well. We'll try again later. Enemy spotted. Kabuki, come here. Meet your sister. Oh, Suki. Oh, baby. It's okay, your sister isn't an avoidant. She runs away from her problems. Kabuki. Suki, why are you sneaking up on her? Spotted. Oh no. It's okay, girl. It's okay. Oh. You are so adorable. We're in the car going back to the city. Suki, hi. Just chilling in there. Okay, so we're back in the apartment. Here's Suki hiding in the corner. And this is Kabuki, super comfortable on the other side in the corner. I think this is day 3. They're less than 5 feet away. This is the closest they'll get to each other. This week at least. Suki poo. You're so sweet, Kabuki. You're so sweet. You're a little smelly though. So Suki finally made it out of her cave and she's walking around more. This one's basically taken over everything. She uses Suki's litter box when she has her own. And that's it for our first vlog. Suki says thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.